Welcome back. Today we're tackling aging, specifically how nutrition can help slow it down at the cellular level. We'll build your ultimate anti-aging grocery list, packed with foods proven to help you look and feel younger. I'll break down the science and give you actionable tips you can use right away. Let's jump in. First up, blueberries. These little gems are more than just a tasty treat. They're a powerhouse of health benefits packed into a small package. These tiny berries are loaded with anthocyanins, which are responsible for their vibrant blue hue. But more importantly, anthocyanins are potent antioxidants. They're powerful antioxidants, some of the strongest you can find in the fruit world. These antioxidants work tirelessly to protect your cells from free radical damage, acting as a shield against environmental stressors and internal metabolic byproducts. Free radicals from pollution, the kind you encounter every day in urban environments, sun, with its intense UV radiation, and even normal metabolism, the process that keeps us alive and functioning, all generate these damaging free radicals. These free radicals speed up aging by damaging DNA and collagen, the building blocks of our skin and other tissues. This damage can lead to wrinkles, sagging skin, and a host of other age-related issues. Blueberries help neutralize these threats, acting like tiny scavengers that seek out and eliminate free radicals before they can cause harm. By fighting free radicals, blueberries help in keeping your skin firm and your mind sharp, contributing to a more youthful appearance and enhanced cognitive function. Studies show they support brain health, improving memory and focus. And they also contribute to heart health too, by helping to maintain healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Add them to oatmeal for a nutritious and delicious breakfast, yogurt, creating a healthy and satisfying snack, smoothies, blending them into a vibrant and antioxidant-rich drink, or snack on them solo for a quick and easy boost of nutrients. The key is consistency. Incorporating them into your diet regularly is what unlocks their full potential. So, make blueberries a regular part of your routine, whether it's a handful a day or a cup every other day. It's a simple, delicious way to invest in your long-term health and well-being. Let's move to our next superfood and discover more ways to nourish your body from the inside out. Next on our list of age-defying wonders, we have spinach. This unassuming leafy green might just be the closest thing we have to a real-life fountain of youth, packed into a single leaf. This nutritional powerhouse is absolutely packed with essential vitamins A, C, and E, each playing a crucial role in maintaining youthful, radiant skin. These vitamins work synergistically to combat the signs of aging from the inside out. Vitamin A, in particular, is a powerhouse when it comes to helping renew skin cells, promoting a smoother and more even complexion. It encourages cell turnover, revealing fresh, new skin. Vitamin C is a vital component for boosting collagen production, the protein that keeps our skin firm and elastic. More collagen means fewer wrinkles and a more youthful appearance. And vitamin E acts as a shield, protecting your skin cells against oxidative stress caused by free radicals and environmental pollutants. But the benefits don't stop there. Spinach also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants which protect your precious eyes from harmful UV damage and age-related macular degeneration. It's incredibly versatile. Use it raw in vibrant salads, toss it into your favorite pasta dishes, blend it into comforting soups, or whirl it into refreshing smoothies for a quick and easy nutrient boost. Spinach truly delivers a multi-pronged defense against aging, working from the inside out to keep you looking and feeling your best. From promoting healthy, glowing skin to protecting the long-term health of your eyes, the benefits are undeniable. So make it a habit to add a generous handful of spinach to your daily meals for a significant nutrient boost. It's simple, incredibly effective, and undeniably delicious. Now that we've explored the power of leafy greens, let's shift our focus and talk about the importance of incorporating healthy fats into your diet. When it comes to foods that promote youthful, radiant skin, wild-caught salmon truly stands out. It's not just a delicious meal, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can help turn back the clock. The secret lies in its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These essential fats are vital for overall health, and they play a crucial role in maintaining skin's youthful appearance. These fats are the building blocks of healthy cell membranes, ensuring that your skin cells function optimally. Healthy cell membranes are better at locking in moisture, resulting in plumper, more hydrated, and ultimately, more youthful-looking skin. Think of it as an internal moisturizer working from the inside out. But the benefits don't stop there. Omega-3s are also potent anti-inflammatory agents, helping to calm irritated skin and reduce redness. By fighting inflammation, omega-3s play a key role in protecting collagen and elastin, the proteins that give your skin its firmness and elasticity from breakdown. The benefits of salmon consumption go far beyond just skin health. Salmon is a fantastic food to support your heart, helping to maintain healthy cholesterol levels and blood pressure. It also supports your joints, reducing stiffness and promoting flexibility. And it's a brain-boosting food, enhancing cognitive function and memory. For optimal results, aim for at least 2 servings of wild-caught salmon per week, whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or pan-seared to perfection. Incorporating salmon into your diet is a delicious and effective way to nourish your body from the inside out, promoting healthy, radiant skin and overall well-being. Next up, we have a creamy, versatile fruit that's not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your skin. Let's dive in and explore the amazing skin-boosting properties of avocados. Avocado is loaded with monounsaturated fats that hydrate your skin from within. These healthy fats strengthen your skin's barrier, locking in moisture and fighting fine lines. Avocados also deliver vitamin E and C, antioxidants that protect and repair skin. The fat in avocado helps your body absorb these vitamins efficiently. Add avocado to toast, salads, or smoothies for a skin-nourishing boost. It's a triple-threat hydration, protection, and repair. Simple, tasty, and effective. Let's move to a snack that's good for your brain and skin. Walnuts are packed with plant-based omega-3s and polyphenols, both powerful anti-inflammatories. They help protect your skin's structure and keep your mind sharp as you age. Just a small handful daily can make a difference. Toss them in salads, yogurt, or eat them as a snack. Walnuts are a holistic anti-aging food, supporting both brain and skin. Easy to add, easy to love. Next, a root veggie with serious skin benefits. Sweet potatoes get their orange color from beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. Vitamin A boosts skin cell turnover and collagen, keeping your complexion smooth and firm. Beta-carotene also helps protect against sun damage from within. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin C and E, creating a powerful antioxidant combo. Bake, roast, or mash them for a tasty, nutrient-packed side. Swap them for white potatoes to boost your skin's defenses. Delicious and protective. What's not to love? Now let's sip on something powerful. Green tea is loaded with catechins, especially EGCG, a potent antioxidant. It protects skin cells, reduces inflammation, and may even help rejuvenate aging skin. Green tea can also help shield your skin from sun damage. Drink 1 to 3 cups daily, hot or iced, for maximum benefits. Add a squeeze of lemon to boost absorption. Make green tea a daily ritual for a simple, effective anti-aging boost. Next, a kitchen staple with sun-shielding power. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage. Lycopene helps prevent wrinkles and discoloration caused by UV rays. Cooking tomatoes with a bit of olive oil boosts lycopene absorption. Enjoy tomato sauce, roasted tomatoes, or add them to salads. It's a tasty way to reinforce your skin's natural defenses. Protect your skin from the inside out. Now let's talk about the gut-skin connection. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics that support a healthy gut, and a healthy gut means less inflammation and better skin. The gut-skin axis is real. Balance your microbiome, and you help calm skin issues and slow aging. Greek yogurt is also high in protein, essential for skin repair and collagen production. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugar. Top with blueberries or walnuts for extra anti-aging power. A simple snack that supports both gut and skin. Let's end on a sweet note. Dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, is rich in flavonols, which boost circulation and deliver antioxidants to your skin. Better blood flow means more nutrients and a healthy glow. Flavonols also help protect against sun damage and oxidative stress. Enjoy a small square or 2 for a healthy treat. Just don't overdo it. Choose minimally processed, high cacao chocolate for the best benefits. It's a sweet way to support your skin's resilience. Now, let's wrap up your action plan. That's your ultimate anti-aging grocery list. Foods that fight oxidative stress and inflammation at the source. Pick 2 or 3 you're not eating regularly and add them to your meals this week. Small, consistent changes lead to big results over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Share your favorite anti-aging food in the comments below. Stay healthy, and see you next time.